Welcome to the show, everyone. It's the Crypto Lark coming to you from New Zealand, bringing you this May 10th edition of what is happening in crypto. Bitcoin 9,336, Ethereum 757, Zilliqa continuing on a tear, crossing the $1.6 billion market cap, 0x continuing its upward momentum, hitting position 30 on CoinMarketCap, Ethos making big moves as well, perhaps on the rumblings of the upcoming wallet release. Elastos continuing to move forward with steady growth. Matrix AI taking a bit of a stumble after big rises earlier in the week. Skycoin making a big move as well, up 38.3% on the 7-day. And a random pop-up by something called All Sports. Cool. First big story of the day. The Winklevoss brothers. Again, those guys are in the news a lot. The Winklevoss brothers have won a crypto exchange patent. Now, in particular, this is for exchange-traded products. Exchange-traded products include exchange-traded funds, or Bitcoin ETFs. Now, they have won the patent, but they, of course, have to get the Securities and Exchange Commission on board. They've been trying, and they're going to keep trying. This is a story we'll continue to watch as Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss continue to fight this fight to get Bitcoin and, I suppose, on a larger scale, cryptocurrencies to be taken as serious financial instruments. Bloomberg partners with Novogratz to launch crypto index. The crypto index will be including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Monero, Ripple, Zcash, EOS, Litecoin, and Dash. That's pretty cool. I like it. I think good thing for crypto, and I think great thing for both these companies as well. Survey 30% of financial executives to commit resources to blockchain. Only 30%. I feel like next year I'm going to be reading this article and 30% of financial executives still haven't committed resources to blockchain. Why are they waiting? That will be the article next year. Papua New Guinea is the newest kid on the deregulated economic block chain. This is great. This is something that Tim Draper is pushing in the background. Now, look, we've seen a lot of different smaller nations. Papua New Guinea is quite a large country in the scale of things, but nevertheless, considering its impact globally, it's a rather small nation. And so Papua New Guinea is trying to open itself up a little bit to this whole blockchain revolution that's going on. It could be a good player to add on board. Now, in particular, they're starting off with a project that Tim Draper has been pushing in the background called Ledger Atlas. So we'll see how this story does develop moving forward. They're certainly seeming open to it at this point. It would be nice to see, of course, some real, legislation being put out there by their parliament saying, doors wide open, come on in. Binance will be supporting the Tron blockchain upgrade and token migration. There's the answer. Somebody was just asking this the other day, so we've got word from Binance that, of course, Binance will be supporting Tron. I'm not surprised to see Binance supporting the Tron switchover, but, of course, until official word happens, which it has now happened, you can never be too sure. TomoChain and E-Next partnership. This is an interesting partnership. VNext has partnered with TomoChain to integrate blockchain technology into the VNext's AI platform. With the strength in blockchain technology, the strategic partnership with TomoChain will help our services more performance and competitive and potentially improve our added values to small and big businesses alike, says the CEO of VNext. This is very cool. 150 engineers, 10 years of business experience in Japan. This gets TomoChain on the Japanese market, essentially. And if TomoChain can become a thing on the Japanese market, that in of itself will be massive. Interesting partnership. Nav Coin. Nav Coin is launching a new wallet. You can check out the online demo and come over here and have a look around, have a little play with the features of what it's all going to be looking like. A lot of the basic features that you would expect to send and receive the accounts. But you can also see, for example, community fund proposals, and it's all very nice. I think the user interface is really, really good. And of course, you can keep up any Nav Coin news as it does come out. Speaking of privacy coins, Pivx. Pivx has redefined what it means to be private in crypto. This is none other than private proof of stake. Yes, you can now have a private proof of stake with Pivx, which is pretty revolutionary. First one to do it, of course, and of course to offer that to masternodes. Great incentive. Privacy coins are going to be really big. Although, of course, you do have to worry about potential crackdowns by exchanges in the future, but that's a different story for a different day, guys. I wanted to highlight a couple ICOs for you as well. This one, Newton Project. Something a bit interesting seeming. It's being launched by some of the guys from Elastos. This is the co-founder of Elastos behind it, and one of the advisors is also a co-founder of Elastos. Interesting. A lot of interest here as well from different investors, for example. So this is one to put on the radar, guys, without a doubt. Metronome is coming up soon. Now, this is going to be a strange operation as far as how the token sale is happening. It's kind of an open auction where it starts at 2 Ethereum for 1 metronome, and then it slowly decreases over time until it gets to the end of the auction, assuming there's anything left by the time it reaches the bottom price. Interesting way to do it. The market, of course, will decide what metronome is worth. Fascinating. Lightstreams is another one that's been getting a lot of traction recently throughout social media. Perhaps one you might want to have your eyes on. One that's caught my interest as well, CryptoCurve. The Curve wallet, next-gen features. This is coming on WAN chain. Now, it's going to be a decentralized exchange. There's going to be ICO investing, ICO pool investing, ICO staking, a fiat gateway portfolio tracking, and, of course, interoperability via WAN chain. This is a very interesting one. And finally today, I want to get something back from you guys. Now, I would love for you guys, if you want, to do some video question submissions. So make a short YouTube video, put it in the comment section down below, or link to it in the comment section down below, or you can send it to thecryptolark@gmail.com, the link to, of course, that YouTube video. And I'll be taking 3 or 4 of those questions and answering them on my Sunday news video. So feel free to get involved. I'd love to hear back from you guys, some of the burning questions that you have. I know I don't always get enough time to answer them in the live streams, for example, so feel free to reach out for a couple of questions that way. That's all for today. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.